We're going to Eastland.
Hey guys, just on our way into Kmart, we're going to grab some candles, and we seen that candle maker kit for $10. I thought we could make it cheaper.
Pack of tea light candles, a pot and a glass jar, some fragrances. You'll need some colour, some pigments, or you can go the Crayolas. You'll need containers to mix them. You need a knife just to stir, or it can be a spoon. And you can go a little bit further. These are optional. You can go a glass jar. You can go spatula. You can also get these paddle pop sticks with holes in them to hold your wick. And you obviously need wicks. And you need moulds. Guys, so we just got back from Kmart. Sienna's undoing some candles, and we're going to make some Kmart Anko tea light candles. Things. So we're going to use a double boiler. We've got the little glass jar and we've got the pot, and we're going to turn the stove on and get that heated up. We're going to boil some water to put in the stove because we need to put some water in there. Just like so. And then that sits in there like so. Try not to overfill it. You want to fill about half the pot, otherwise the water will start overflowing. And as you can see, we've done some before, and that'll just melt down and go into the rest of the candles. Or you can clean it out a little bit better than we did, but we just used white candles last time. So I will weigh up a candle for you so you know how much one tea light candle is from Kmart. So one tea light candle weighs 8.8 grams. We've got glass jars to make tall candles. They're very expensive. They're about $5 for 6 jars or something. And at this point in the video, can we get partners doing a great job keeping an eye on the candles? But alright, we're ready. If you want to start throwing them in, I normally break them in half. It's up to you though. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab a mould, and we're going to get a measuring cup, and we're going to fill it with water and measure how much water it takes to fill the mould. So the mould is 30 plus 20 mils, makes 50 mils for a mould. So we'll measure how much the candle liquid actually takes. We'll see how much the candle takes next. We found these glass jars at Kmart, and they were about $6 for 6 of them. If you can't get these, or you would like to do tall standing up ones, we've got this hack for you, toilet roll and some hot glue gun. So this does make a good family fun time if you want to do with the family over the weekend or on a Saturday or something. So go spend some time with your family. Alright, so for colours we brought a pack of Crayolas. I'm just going to break sort of like about a tip's worth off, and we'll see how that colours it. Alright, so I'm just going to use this tea towel to get the 50 mils out of candle wax. Hopefully not spilling too much of it. Straight back. We might need some more water just to fill that back up a bit. It's been boiling for so long. And then we'll see if our candle wax goes into here and 50 mils fills it. Perfect. A little bit more would have been good. So I went white and black because I'm thinking yin and yang. So Sienna's going to walk you through her candle making process and fill in the jar.
You might have to pour it.
Okay. What do I have to pour it?
It's hot.
So I've got to burn myself. Okay. Well, you hold this. How much am I putting in each? Which colours? These 4?
Yeah.
So we've got these mica powders. They're very good. They're metallic and stuff. And they just look like that, if you can see down in there. Yep. So we spray them off with a bit of alcohol, and it sort of makes them a bit watery, so it mixes into the candle a bit better. And it'll dry off pretty quickly, so you've got to be quick with this a little bit. And then I'll get this cord, and I'll add it to this so we know how much it's pitch. So there's 50 mils. Alright, now Sienna's going to finish it off. She's going to do a bit of a mix. You've got to be quick though, because it starts going hard pretty quick, the old candle. The other one took 15 minutes though. Got a bit of a mess with candle spillage there going on. Sienna's just come up with a way to keep them warm. We've got the, what is that? A steamer pot. Keep them warm while that one over there starts going off. So we get this phenomenon of the candle wax looking like it's layered. If you know how to fix that, give us a shout out or a comment in the comments below. Sienna's just putting it in cold water just to cool it down a little bit quicker. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully it won't take too long. Double pouring. We can't see on the camera. It's purple. So it's been about 30 minutes and I reckon we're nearly ready to get it out. So I just work around the edges of the mould and sort of pop it out. And there we have it. So from this to this, much funner. And all it took was 10 minutes of work. So by now you probably have to add some extra candles into your pot to keep making more candles. And they just add right in if you can get them out of the containers. You just break them in half, keep the little wick if you want to, and pop them in. And they'll melt straight on through into the rest of the mix. No worries. Just remember that they do melt clear, but they are white candles, so they will go back to white. And more candles.
And more again.
And next video we'll show you Sienna getting her candles out of the mouldings.